That shit out. This shit definitely just a perfect hoodie with a different color. Slightly heavier though. I wasn't going to talk, but fuck it, I'm talking. Let's compare it to all these hoodies in a minute. Hold up. Very big as fuck. Hold up. Yeah. Gotta play copyright free music because this bitch ass app. It's terrible. Let's compare it to. I got a perfect hoodie. It's still the best. It's my favorite one of all the hoodies I got. Still better than everything else. This one was only what? $70? I don't remember. This one, you know what I mean, 100 some change. But it's damn near the same thing. It's just slightly better quality. This is heavier though. But this one, still cropped at the bottom type shit. Size 2X. These motherfuckers only got that one there. Yeah. Next. Wait, hold up. The hood is a little bit. I think the hood is bigger on this one. Look how big this shit is. The hood is bigger on this one. Even though this one is big as fuck too though, but yeah, the hood is different. Cool. What else, bro? What is this one? It's a shrunken hoodie. That's what I hate about this one. Look at the cuffs on this one. It's fat as hell. Look how wide these cuffs is, bruh. Compared to this one. Cuffs is different. This one get on your wrist, bruh. This one be fucking. You know what I'm saying? Look at my wrist compared to that one. Fuck is wrong with this one? Terrible. Alright. What else we got to compare? What's this shit? I forgot the name of this. Cuffs is that. Same. Perfect. We already did that. Oh no, it's the Dove. It's the Dove hoodie. Yeah, that is the Dove hoodie. Yeah, the quality a little bit feel the same. Yeah, I feel the same. This one ain't got no cuffs. It's all sewed in. Yeah. Alright, hold up. I'm just realizing how many fucking hoodies I got. This is the essential one right here. Yeah, this shit. I don't know where that we got shit. Travis Scott, FDP. What was that? Oh yeah, the logo. The logo. I just noticed I've been buying all this shit all summer. Blue logo, green logo, Dove. What else we got, bro? Oh, the zip ups. Damn. Type shit. What else we got? Oh, it's the no sin. Alright. This one. This hoodie. Alright, fuck it. I don't know. This is top tier though, hoodie wise. FDP. I'm fucking with it. Should do a whole video comparing it, but yeah, that's just a quick one, bro. Still fire. Made from scratch taste and ready in minutes. You get the taste of dining. You can't tell the color, but that shit is definitely purple. It looks like it's light on here, but that's purple as fuck.